Want to throw it down?
Sure. Steve and Jake here with Get Torqued. Today we're doing the oil pressure gauge, oil pressure sensor, boost gauge. We ran the lines last time. Today we're doing the actual gauge. A little bit of electrical work on our alternator. That's what we're digging into today then. And we already started. How'd that go?
Still going.
Good. I don't know, what do you think? We got it relocated, huh? We gotta find a way to move it. If we had another elbow, we could maybe do some janky shit, but then it's getting even taller and further away.
I don't think we have much room to go with that.
Nice job. Is that what you were looking for? I can't think. You get it in there. Facing down and I can't get to it. Yeah.
I want to go to school and get different stuff. Oh, I don't know. Ooh, maybe.
Yeah, just barely, dude. So you want to wait to put this in and do terminals?
I don't know. I can't get my fingers in there.
You think so? Yeah? Alright.
Yeah, I'll get my fingers in there. Nah.
Should I start like some shit? So what's the plan?
Getting down.
This makes a terrible workbench.
Are you want to come with me?
Yeah, sure.
So run the wires. Figure out where we're putting the gauges inside.
I don't know how I'm gonna pull that tight and tie it.
Shoot. You only need two.
It's too late now.
We also need an animal. Here in the car.
They're in the basement. They got so many, dude. I found generations of tools. Generations of tools. And where to tie this to now.
To itself.